I would love to. We've got about a minute left on the show here, and you've got a strong mindset. Mindset to me is like a muscle. If you don't work it out, it doesn't get strong. Some people don't have a strong mindset, from the get-go, and some people do. You look at LeBron James. He was obviously born with a strong body. Was like a man in high school, and some people are not. You obviously have the mindset of a strong individual. Any tips that you can give to our listeners to strengthen their mindset for those who need it? We all need it, but for those who need it more.
Yeah, I think it's all about how you start in the morning. I do a miracle mindset routine every day. So I have a treadmill in my office, and I have my vision board with places I want to go, things I want.
Yes.
Up that I'm looking at as I'm running, and I'm doing meditation after I look at the vision board. I do some meditation as I'm jogging, and then I have affirmations that I shout out every day, and that gives me confidence. It programs my mind
Yes.
for success.
Yes.
And it's such a powerful routine so I recommend to everyone to have a miracle morning, start out in a strong way.
Very cool. I love that. Miracle Morning. I've actually never heard that term. Did you make that up?
There's a book called Miracle Morning by Hal Elrod.
I need to read it. I need to read that book. Wonderful. Well, Nate Lambert, thank you so much for joining me on the show today. What a fun conversation. I really appreciate you coming on and sharing with all the listeners.
My pleasure. This has been awesome. I'd love to work with you at investwithnatelambert.com. And thanks for inviting me, Yoshi. You did something like this years ago. I watched your interview with Andy McFarland.
That
helped launch my real estate career. So I thank you so much for helping me to get started, brother.
I appreciate that. I appreciate you, Nate. Thank you so much. Awesome, guys. Well, I hope everybody has a spectacular rest of the day.